Today we have to discuss about the critical angle. The critical angle is an angle, and first we have to draw the ray diagram to explain the critical angle, and let x dash is the interface which separates the two medium, and let medium 1 is the denser medium. With refractive index mu2, and medium 2 is the rarer medium. With refractive index mu1, and let this is the normal, and here the ray of light have to travel from the denser medium to the rarer medium, and in refraction of light we had already discussed, when the ray of light travels from a denser medium to a rarer medium, then it will bend away from the normal. That means if this is the incident ray and this is the angle of incidence I1, which have to travel from a denser medium to a rarer medium, then it will bend away from the normal, and let this is the path of the refracted ray, and this angle is the angle of refraction R1. And here if you further increase the angle of incidence, that means you have to incident on ray with an angle more than the angle of incidence I1, and let this is the ray having the angle of incidence I2, which is more than the angle of incidence I1. Then you can observe the refracted ray will bend more away from the normal. That means this will be the path of the refracted ray in the rarer medium, and this is the angle of refraction for the second ray. And here if you further increase the angle of incidence, then you can find the refracted ray will bend more away from the normal. That means if this is the angle of incidence I3, then you find this will be the refracted ray, and which will bend more away from the normal. So this is R3. And again, if you further increase the angle of incidence in the denser medium here, and let this is the ray, and the angle of incidence is I4, and here you can observe the refracted ray will make an angle 90 degree with the normal. That means this angle, the refracted angle R4, that will be 90 degree. So here for this particular angle of incidence, it is said to be the critical angle IC. You can denote it by IC. So you can say the definition of critical angle, it is that angle of incidence in the denser medium for which the angle of refraction in the rarer medium will be 90 degree. Clear? So we have to write the definition of critical angle. So the definition will be it is that angle of incidence in the denser medium for which the angle of refraction in the rarer medium will be 90 degree. So this is the definition of critical angle. It is that angle of incidence in the denser medium for which the angle of refraction in the rarer medium will be 90 degree. And you can see the angle of incidence, it depends upon the nature of the two medium. That means it will depend upon the refractive index of the two medium in contact. So if you apply the Snell's law here, you can write mu2 divided by mu1. This will be sin in 90 degree divided by sin IC. Snell's law. So refractive index of medium 2 divided by medium 1. That is refractive index of medium 2 with respect to medium 1. That means mu 2 1. The formula is the value of sin 90 degree is 1 divided by sin IC. So this is the relation. The angle of incidence in the denser medium, that is the critical angle, that depends upon the nature of the two medium. So you have to remember this formula and the definition of critical angle. Thank you.